Hello. I'm very happy you are here. Because you want to improve your English speaking skills at work. Speaking English can be difficult at first, but with practice, it becomes easier every day. Remember, English is easy and you can do it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because mistakes help you learn and grow. When you start speaking English at work, it is good to talk every day. Try to use simple words and short sentences. For example, you can say good morning to your coworkers or ask, how are you today? Talking a little every day will help you feel more comfortable. You don't need to speak perfectly. Just try your best. Your coworkers will appreciate your effort and want to help you. Learning useful phrases for work is very important. Phrases like, can you help me? Or, I don't understand, can you explain? Are very useful. These phrases help you communicate clearly and politely. When you learn these phrases, you will find it easier to talk about your work. You can practice these phrases at home or with friends before using them at work. This practice will make you more confident. Listening is also a very important skill. When you listen to your coworkers, you learn how to speak better. If you don't understand, don't be shy to ask them to repeat. You can say, please say that again, or what does this word mean? People like when you try to learn, and they will be happy to help you. Watching short videos about your work in English can help you listen better and learn new words. At work, try to use simple and clear sentences. Long and difficult sentences can be confusing. For example, instead of saying, I am encountering some difficulties with the new system, you can say, the new system is hard for me. Simple sentences are easier to understand and make you feel more confident. When you speak clearly, people can help you better. It is very normal to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn a new language. Even people who speak English every day make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is not to stop speaking. Keep practicing and you will improve. You can say to yourself, don't be afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes help you learn. If you don't understand something at work, it is okay to ask for help. You can say, can you help me with this? Or, please speak slowly. Asking for help shows that you want to learn and do a good job. Most people will be happy to help you and answer your questions. Don't be afraid to ask. It is a good way to learn faster and improve your English. You can also practice English outside of work. Talk with friends, use language apps, or read simple English books. Watching videos in English about your interests is a fun way to learn new words and improve your listening skills. The more you practice, the easier English will become for you. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language is a journey, and every small step is progress. Try to practice a little every day. Speak with confidence and tell yourself, English is easy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. I can do it. When you believe in yourself, you will get better and better. Remember, the key to improving your English speaking skills at work is to speak every day. Learn useful phrases, listen carefully. Use simple sentences. Accept your mistakes, ask for help. And practice outside work. You are doing a great job by trying to improve your English. Keep going and never give up. You are not alone. Many people around the world are learning English just like you. Everyone has started at the beginning. And now they speak better because they never stopped trying. You can do the same. Believe in yourself and keep practicing. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps you feel more confident to speak English at work. Remember these important words, English is easy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can do it. Good luck, and keep speaking English every day.